adjusted.
So these rubber things are like for this thing?
No. So with the garlic peeler, 2 hands on a countertop. That way it's more comfortable.
Hi Zoe, hi Olivia. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Amazingly awesome as always. You ladies. You're welcome.
How you doing? Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Just taking a few videos here.
See you guys. Oh, when I see you. Because I'm off to sell something. I'm back something. Okay. Alright. See you, have fun. Love you. Love you too.
Uh-oh, snipper.
And you got a bracelet.
Alright, bud. Have a good one. You too. Like, you know where the Ollie is? One side? Sorry. Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Let's put it on the way back. We're going this way.
That's what I did
Made a mirror out of wicker.
when I was a kid.
Oh, look at all that popcorn.
I put
Oh, whoopie pies. Oh, man.
Amish baking.
Great weekend. Thank you.
That looks good.
Want to do the triple? Sure. Like,
Apple jump.
Oh, yeah.
You don't want?
what?
They look sweet.
What, baby?
You don't want anything go on your face? Well, then we don't get anything on your face. Do you like sticky fries?
Yes. And wait, that's stuck on. Bethany Village Water, guys! Thank you. You're welcome. You need one too, sir.
Yeah, why not?
There you go. How many grandkids or kids
Got 2 grandkids. 3. We got 3 grandkids. Sorry.
3 more.
Yeah. That's right. We don't. We're not in the area.
Okay. Yeah, for sure. There you go.
It's a water soaker.
Take another one for Mom.
What do you say? You want to put it in here?
Yeah. Good thing you have a bag.
Huh?
Good thing you have a bag.
Yep.
Pizzas. They got everything here. Is that King James?
We have a King James.
I like King James.
Do we have a King James? There's a Bible app that you guys like. Look at this. They have the Bible app.
Okay.
It'll be in King James on there.
Yeah, I have like on the app on the phone. There's an app too where you get all the different readings, all the different translations, which is nice.
Yeah, I have one that gives me 4.
Uh-huh.
It can read 4.
All right, you guys have a wonderful day.
Thank you too. Have a good day.
Yeah, I liked it.
All right. Rock star, good
That's a church. That's a church my aunt goes to.
You want one of these? That is the baby that's 12 weeks in utero. So that's how big you were in your mommy's belly when you were only 12 weeks.
That was so cute.
The peanut, that's right. Mother and I call it. Yeah, you know what? I think that's what my mother-in-law. Everybody else got beat. A lot of people call it.
My aunt goes to that church. My aunt goes to this church, St. Teresa's. Epic Punch.
Take a newspaper.
Oh, why not? Thank you. This kind of reminds me of old times.
Yeah, you carry this one. And then it goes in the garbage anyway. You
I'll probably read it.
You probably read it.
Yeah. Then I'll throw it away. Looks like.
Sorry.
Hey, Elmira. How are you? No.
Amazingly awesome.
Why would I ask that? Do you want a picture of the Donald?
Yeah. Hold on. I give you my
Okay. You want a picture of too?
Yeah, why not? I get you.
Hey.
This goes on YouTube.
That's great.
Yeah, YouTube star.
Nice.
Yep,
Add your channel.
we're
Just
supporters.
click the white button on the bottom.
Okay.
Let he be in the middle. Put your camera down.
That's running.
Got it?
I got two of them.
Thank you very much. Yeah, I'll be back Sunday.
Hey, you want to sign up for the Mechanicsburg Republican organization since you live in Mechanicsburg?
What do you mean to be nominated for it?
No, this is just, so what we're doing is like door knocking, doing stuff like this. This things to help our candidates get elected.
So grab one of those armbands. She said $3. $3. I said, nah, people give those away. Look at all those plants over there.
Bonsai! Bonsai! The Karate Kid.
Yeah.
Those are cute. Bonsai. This one keeps the water in better than the regular soil. That's awesome. I don't know if they sell hydroculture.